I wake up early. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I make my bed. I drink some water. I make breakfast. I check my phone. I take a quick shower. I get dressed. I open the window. I tidy my room. I prepare my bag. I leave home at 8. I walk to the bus stop. I go to work. I start my day. I take a short break. I finish work at 6. Can I join you? I'm on my way. It's up to you. I totally feel you. I'm just kidding. What brings you here? Could you please explain? I'm free this weekend. I didn't expect that. I really appreciate it. What do you think? What's your opinion? Have a safe trip. I agree with you. Let's meet tomorrow. I'm not feeling well. That's a good idea. Where do you live? You made my day. I'm busy right now. Excuse me? Could you help me, please? May I ask a question? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Sorry for the trouble. Would you mind waiting? Please take your time. That's very kind of you. I'm grateful for your help. I agree. I understand. I'm not sure. I hope so. That's true. I like it. I don't mind. It's okay. Not really. Of course. I'm coming. I'm leaving now. I'll call you. Let's do it. I can try. Why not? Maybe later. Good idea. Sounds good. Thank you. What's going on? What do you mean? That makes sense. I get it now. That's interesting. I didn't know that. Really? Are you sure? I think so. Maybe later. I'm not sure. Let me check. Where's the station? How much is this? Can I try this? Do you take cards? I'd like this one. Thank you very much. One ticket, please. I'm looking for this place. Have a nice trip. I'm home. I just arrived. I'm heading out now. I'll be right back. Wait a moment. I'm listening. I got it. I'm not ready. I'm almost ready. Let's start. I need help. I'm thinking. That's enough. Try again. One more time. I'm good, thanks. I'm doing okay. I'm great today. I'm a bit tired. I'm hanging there. I'm a little stressed. I'm not bad. I've been better. I'm feeling better now. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I'm good. How are you? My name is Linda. I'm from Australia. I'm a student. Yes, I like playing tennis. I enjoy listening to pop music. My favorite movie is Frozen. My favorite color is pink. Excuse me, can you help me? Sure, what do you need? I can't find the bus stop. It's over there. Is it far from here? No, it's very close. Which bus goes to the city? Bus 10. Thank you so much. You are welcome. I take a shower. I remove my makeup. I brush my teeth. I wear my pajamas. I make some tea. I read a book. I turn off the lights. I set my alarm. I relax in bed. I fall asleep. I cut the vegetables. I wash the rice. I boil the water. I fry the eggs. I mix the sauce. I taste the soup. I add some salt. I cook the noodles. I prepare the plate. I serve the food. I wash the dishes. I sweep the floor. I do the laundry. I fold the clothes. I clean the table. I take out the trash. I water the plants. I tidy my room. I wipe the windows. I organize my desk. Hi, what would you like to order? A latte, please. Large or small? Small, please. Anything else? Yes. A croissant. For here or to go? To go, thanks. That'll be $6.50. Here you go. How much is this? Is this on sale? I'm just browsing, thanks. It's a bit too expensive. Is this fresh? I'll take this one. Can I get a bag, please? Are you free later? Can I ask you something? Did you sleep well last night? I'm doing my best. What do you think? Don't worry about it. Let me grab my coffee first. I agree with you. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for letting me know. I had a great time. Talk to you later. I'm free this weekend. Can I help you find something? Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt. What size are you? Medium. Do you like this one? Yes, it's nice. Want to try it on? Yes, please. How does it fit? It fits well. Great choice. Thanks. I need a shopping list. Where are the apples? How much is this? Do you have fresh bread? Where is the dairy section? I need a basket. Is this on sale? Can I pay by card? Do you have a bag? Thank you very much. How are you feeling today? I'm really tired. Did you study again last night? Yeah, I stayed up late. Your exam is tomorrow, right? Yes, and I still need to review. Did you sleep at all? Only a little. Maybe take a short break. I think I should. You've worked hard. You will do well. Thanks, I needed that. Hi, this is Linda. Hi, Mary. Can you talk now? Is this a good time to talk? Yes, it's fine. How are you these days? I'm good. Just a bit busy. How about you? I'm doing well too. I'm calling to ask if you want to meet up. Maybe we can have coffee this week. Or we can go shopping together. That sounds nice. Which day works for you? Saturday works for me. Where should we meet? Let's meet at a cafe near the mall. Great. I'm excited to see you. Thanks for calling me today. Have a good evening. See you on Saturday. Hi, good morning. Hi there, what can I get for you? I'd like a latte, please. Sure. What size would you like? A small one, please. Would you like it hot or iced? Hot, please. Anything else today? No, that's all. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Good job today. I'm Amelia, your English learning companion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so we can practice together next time.